Hey and welcome to the Postapocalyptic Garage. The spring is coming and so it's time for a few electric generator projects. And also I've run into the problem that the wooden pulley I've made for the fan of my forge is broken and I want to make a few new forging project videos in the future, so we have to make some pulleys. So of course we can make some steel pulleys with our improvised lathe we've made in one of our last videos. But the problem with steel is it's really hard to work with and it's a little bit too heavy for the kind of contraption. So we want to go for some lighter material. Unfortunately, the wood has the tendency to break, and as always on the garage we don't want to buy new fancy plastic stuff on the internet or something. So in today's video we're gonna recycle some plastic parts and make ourselves some blanks for making some pulleys out of it. Last week I found this old kitchen oven in a garage sale, and I've also have plenty of these old toolboxes which I don't need anymore. So we will take basically these two things and make ourselves the blanks with. The pulley which I need for my forge has about a 4 cm outer diameter, and I found a pipe which has 4 cm inner diameter and another pipe which fits perfectly into it. Nearly perfect. So we'll weld this one shut, weld a base on this one and make ourselves some kind of plunger for compressing our plastic. Last preparation work to do now. Take this little box to the bandsaw, make it into a little bit smaller and more manageable pieces. Then we should be ready to make our blanks. Let's set the oven to 180 degrees C or 350 degrees F to get the best result. Let it sit in there about 15 to 20 minutes. Then it should be ready. We can add a little bit more and then go into press it. In the meantime, while this stuff is cooking, we will talk a little bit about the plastic we're using. It's called HDPE, and like every other plastic, it have a recycling stamp on it. So you have to look for this kind of recycling mark on the plastic. The recycling mark will be an HDPE and PEHD or the number 2 in a triangle. Now that the mold cooled down for a couple of hours, we will cut it open and reveal our finished plank. So our finished product looks pretty good so far. It is a little bit rough, but I think it will work for applications, so the last thing to do now is chuck it up in the lathe and turn everything you want out of it. This kind of plastic is pretty much good for every application. It's just up to your creativity which mold you put it in which mold you press it, so you can build nearly anything out of it. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked our little plastic project. And if you're still wondering what I meant with my homemade lathe or homemade lathe-like tool, be sure to check out my video on that, all links in the description. We'll see you on next Saturday. Thanks for watching and goodbye.